All right, so this is going to be the project at hand today. This is such a simple thing to do, but not everybody knows how to do it. And as you can see, we had an incident yesterday. I backed into my fence, so we need to replace the taillight. So let's get right to it. All right, so one thing to keep close in mind, this is our replacement taillight. This is not an LED. My trailer does have LEDs on it, but for $10, it is what it is. I don't need LED, I just wanted them. But one thing to keep in mind is right here. Look right there. Driver side. So this has a license plate light, and it has the side marker light. So the reason why that's important is because if you put this on the passenger side with the side marker light pointed out like it's supposed to be, then your license plate light is going to be pointed up, and that just does not work. So make sure you're replacing driver or passenger side. Just make sure you're getting the right one. All right, so our particular light, see how we have three? Our ground comes and runs right into this nut right here. Now we use a 7/16 wrench, and we just loosen these guys. Got a bunch of dirt and grime from over the years. Actually, I think these are only like maybe a year old. And once these are off, our light, if it wasn't all smushed, is going to come right off. Now we've got these two wire nuts right here. We'll pull these guys off. And I usually don't like to reuse wire nuts, but I don't have any more this small, so these are getting, oh yeah, they're perfectly good. They're going to be reused. So here is our broken light. It is definitely smashed. I might see if I could take the guts out and swap them, but I don't know. For now, I just need to get a light going, so I'm legal. All right, now all your lights should come with a little hardware kit. All the nuts and bolts that you might need. And I don't know, a lot of times I just reuse the old ones, but this time for the intent of this video, we're going to install the new ones. So the light goes bada bing, just like that. Now we go on the back side and put the nuts and washers on. Now here we will put a lock washer on each one of these. And a new nut on each one of these. Get these tightened all the way down. Now you don't put these to 7,000 foot-pounds of torque. Otherwise you're just going to rip the studs right out of the lights. So you just tighten them up to where you're comfortable, you know, just so they're snug. I'm going to loosen these a little bit and slide my light over. You see they got these elongated holes. There we go. I want this all the way over so it gives the most visibility behind me. Now we just take a wrench. This one came with a different size wrench. So this one, oddly enough, came with a 10mm nut, which is frustrating to me because literally everyone I've ever replaced, which, you know, if you guys pull a trailer for a living, you've backed into things. So don't tell me you haven't. But they've all been 7/16, so I don't get it. So see, that's right about where I'm happy there. Like I said, you just, you know, snug them up. There we go. Now, the wiring is all, it's all standard, yellow and brown for your brake and your turn signals on your trailer. So we just need to put these wire nuts on, make sure they go on, give them a good twist to make sure they're holding. Then after this, we're going to hook the truck up test the lights and the, you know, the tail lights and the blinkers and the hazard and all that stuff and make sure they work, which I'm sure they will. I have no reason to doubt that they're going to. There we have it. We have a new light. All right, now you don't actually have to go as far as hooking the whole trailer up. All you need is your lights plugged in. So that's done, and now we test. All right, we got running lights. We have blinkers. And I'll have to watch the video, but you guys tell me if the brake lights are coming on. I'm assuming they are because, well, just because they should be. Well, there you have it, world. It's a quick video on how to pull off an old broken taillight off a trailer, put a new one on. So this LED trailer light kit, this one that I broke, that was almost $100. This replacement incandescent light was $9.99, something like that. It was just shy of $10. So would I like the LED? Yeah, I like the LED. I like the look, the instant on and off look, but it's not necessary. Not anymore, especially since I use this trailer for work and it's not for play anymore. I really don't care as long as it lights up and I don't get pulled over. So there it is. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time.